Are you running Facebook ads but not seeing accurate conversions? Chances are your Facebook pixel isn't set up properly, and that means you're losing valuable data and money. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to correctly set up your Facebook pixel on Shopify so you can track every important event and improve your ad performance. Let's get started. Click on Activate Enable the extension on your store. And then save the settings. After that, return to the dashboard and refresh the page. Your extension will be successfully enabled. To add the pixel, you need to create a customer event in Shopify. I've already explained the complete step-by-step process in my YouTube video. You can check it out for a detailed guide. The link is available in the description. To add the Facebook pixel, click on Add Pixel. After that, you'll need to fill in the required fields, such as your pixel ID and other relevant details. Next, choose any name for your pixel. For the dataset ID, log into your Facebook business account, go to your dataset, pixel, and copy the pixel ID. Then come back and paste that pixel ID into the required field. For the access token, go back to your Facebook business account. Navigate to Settings, scroll down, and click on Generate Access Token. Select your dataset, pixel, generate the token, then copy it. After that, return to your store and paste the access token into the required field. For the test event code, keep in mind that this is only used for testing purposes. It should not be used permanently. To get the code, go to your Facebook business account and navigate to Test Events. Copy the test event code and paste it into the required field for testing. UTM parameters are small tracking tags added to your URL that help you understand where your traffic is coming from. They allow you to track details like the source, campaign, and medium of your visitors, giving you better insights into your marketing performance. Click on Save. Your pixel has now been successfully added. For tracking verification, make sure you have the Meta Pixel Helper extension installed. Now, go to your store and perform different actions such as page view, add to cart, or checkout. You'll be able to see which events are being triggered in real time. As you can see, all events are now being triggered in real time. Once testing is complete, make sure to remove the test event code so that your events are tracked accurately in a live environment. That's it for this video. Make sure your tracking is set up correctly, because better data means better results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you need any help.